Myself, Vikas Kumar. I represent Adinath Agro as a lead sales strategy and operations. While understanding the RI tool is literally something which has opened a new psychological horizon for me. So as a lead sales strategy, I think there is an opportunity I can see while seeing how an intelligent my sales force can be with the help of this tool. So key takeaways particularly is the use-based case, right, which we are now discussing. After the after the dinner or post-dinner demo which has been given by the I think co-founder and CEO of the Byzoom. Real intelligence is, I think right now it's a fusion of what the data we have collected by the SFA and using it with the say dynamic bot or using it with the artificial intelligence, since the data we are getting it is a real-time data or for the field data, and the intelligence is we are getting it by reading the data that has collab and become a real intelligence. Right now we are working, we are on a very nascent stage. We are just trying to implement Byzoom. We are trying to start away with the DMS, though we do have a Copilot. We use Microsoft 365. We do have these kind of things, but AI in particularly as a solution for our sales force or for our supply chain solution, we are right now not doing it. While these kind of seminars try to just bring more use-based cases so that the leadership which you are inviting get to know more into the depth. When I say about the leadership, there are these top-line leadership, CEO, directors, they go to the things very clearly when you will going to use this use-based case. Second, the field people like the tech people who know the tech thing, but they might have quite they might know it quite clearly that how these things which we are doing it can be used in the coming future if the project get implemented properly.